Confidence score. Confidence score.
A confidence score is a number that tells you how sure a model is about a specific prediction or output. You can think of it as the model's self-reported certainty, usually on a scale from 0 to 1 or 0 to 100%.
Mentally, treat the confidence score like a probability meter next to each answer the model gives. A score near 1 means the model would give that same answer almost every time in similar situations, while a low score means it sees that answer as risky or uncertain.
For example, an image classifier might say a photo is a cat with a confidence score of 0.87 and dog with 0.10. The model still picks cat as the prediction, but the 0.87 tells you it is much more convinced about cat than any other label. This idea of scoring outputs is closely related to how we think about model reliability and overfitting in machine learning.
Confidence scores matter because they let you decide when to trust a model, when to route a case to a human, and when to ask the model for more evidence or a second pass. In production AI systems, thresholds on the confidence score often control alerts, fallbacks, and user experience. Confidence score.